Our role is to make sure that people are treated fairly and justly, and that they're compensated accordingly for whatever it is that they might have lost. A personal injury lawyer helps people who've been injured through no fault of their own, situations where there might be medical malpractice, a collision, a slip and fall, things like that. While that may be monetary compensation, there's a lot more to it than just finding money for somebody who's suffered a loss. My advice to anybody who's been injured is to seek out legal advice as soon as possible. The more people you talk to, the more there's risk that something you say may be misinterpreted or even used against your interests that you're initially not aware of that can be a major problem down the road.
He'll be one of the first people I call.
I've never seen any lawyer ever go anywhere near the lengths that Rory will go to.
Something very unique to his practice is that he provides opportunity.
Rory cares about people's best interests and their welfare.
He's an extremely caring person, and that's what you want in a lawyer.
From my point of view, a lawyer should have perhaps a wider perspective than just thinking about monetary compensation.
Access to the right care is incredibly important. And one of the main reasons I've enjoyed working with Rory over the years is he's awesome at finding a way to enable the person to continue on with their care. Even when the insurance company has made it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, he's still found ways for people to continue their care.
One of the unfortunate things about the way society is structured is that the legal system, which underpins the way we operate in society, is an adversarial system. And so it creates a real challenge for our system, because our system is set up one way, and yet a person's needs may require a little more sensitivity than the system offers.
As a physiotherapist, we see people through the injury journey and through the injury paradigm, and what we want to do is be able to follow that injury through that journey and to allow people the time needed and the care really needed to make it through the journey and to reach their potential, the healing potential. Roy's the only lawyer that has ever reached out to me with what else can be done or what else can we do.
I was hit by a taxi cab when I was in the Jubilee Hospital and got knocked out of my wheelchair onto the ground. Rory was extremely helpful on getting me physiotherapy, massage therapy, because Rory cares about people.
There isn't much I haven't done. I love medicine. I like learning about how the body works, and applying the law to it for me has been, it's probably the most challenging thing that I've done, but it's also the most rewarding thing that I've done.